Okay, if napadaan ka sa FYP mo, you are looking for a sign. I don't manifest it na malagay on your FYP or mapagaan on your FYP, no, but maybe this is for you. If naka-resonate ka, please claim it. If not, please don't claim it, okay? Mahal ka ba ng taong mahal mo? Mahal ka ba ng taong mahal mo? Okay. Mahal ka ba ng taong mahal mo? Okay. Your card here says na you are being separated. Separated na kayo ng isa't isa. Also, it brings you a depression, sleepless nights, anxiety, no? May nakikita rin din ako ditong pag-iyak sa gabi.